Hi everybody, this is Arkady Frekhtman. I'm a New York City personal injury trial attorney, and today I wanted to do a super quick video just to give you a deposition tip, because I know a lot of my viewers have their own court cases, right? You may have a car accident case, trip and fall, construction accident, whatever your case is, you may have a deposition. And today I spent almost all day, 5 hours and 11 minutes in a deposition for a client who happened to be a YouTube viewer as well. That found me on YouTube, and it's a case here in New York that's going on. And so anyway, but my tip was really simple. I thought he did a great job. He was a really nice guy. He had some tough issues that he had to deal with during the deposition, but he handled himself with poise. He was calm and he did a great job. But there was one thing at the very end, and this is really like a trick that the defendants or the defense lawyers like to do. So what they do is they ask you about a lot of things. Some of them are irrelevant. Like, for example, he was actually in a parked car and he got rear-ended. He was parked, the engine was off, but the questions were about how he maintains his vehicle, or did he check the brakes on his vehicle? What's the difference? The car is like off. It's it had been off for 10 minutes. He's like, in the car and he gets rear-ended. So, but the tip is about, at the very end of the deposition, the lawyer asked, what are some of the things that you used to do before that you can no longer do? And what we did in the preparation was we talked about a day in the life. For example, I wake up, well, I didn't sleep very well. I get out of bed, I want to take a shower, but I can't take a shower because, I have a neck pain, back pain, it's hard for me to move. I want to put on my socks after the shower, I can't bend down, and just keep going from when you wake up until you go to bed and do a typical day. So I was hoping he was going to do that when the lawyer asked him about what were the things that he couldn't do, but he didn't really do too much of that. He did talk about things that he can't do, like sports and other examples, but I wish he would have, really expanded upon it a little bit more. And I think the reason he didn't was because it came at the very end of the deposition and he was tired, and so they kind of wear you out. So don't let them wear you out. Take breaks and always remember, take notes. You can't bring the notes to the deposition, but you could take notes and just, remember your notes, stay strong. And where you want to talk a lot is about how it's a life-changing forever injury, right? How it changed your life. There, talk as much as possible. But where you don't want to talk a lot is more about the liability or fault. You just want to answer the question being posed. You don't want to give extraneous information because they're going to say objection. That's not responsive to the question. So you want to be responsive to the question, and you want to, be short and brief and to the point on the liability, but as to the damages, the things that you can't do, give examples. Sports is one thing, but what about other things, right? Like, I think this day in the life example is really good because it goes through what you do each and every day, the typical things that you do. So I hope this was helpful, and let us know what questions you have. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We are here for you. Our goal is helping serious injury victims and families. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.